10th standard CBSE lesson 1 types of chemical reaction. 6th question balancing of chemical equations we are going to discuss now. First question is HNO3 reacts with calcium hydroxide to give calcium nitrate plus water. Here hydrogen reactant side and product side. Reactant side 1 hydrogen plus OH twice you have 2 hydrogen. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 hydrogens in the left hand side. Right hand side you have in water you have 2 hydrogen. So H is equal to 2. Then let us come to the next atom. Nitrogen in the left hand side 1 nitrogen atom. In the right hand side NO3 twice. That means a nitrogen also present 2 times. O3 present 2 times. So nitrogen present 2 times. N is equal to 2. Next let us come to oxygen O. In HNO3 3 oxygen you have. In CaOH twice, OH twice, O twice. So O is present 2 times. 3 plus 2 total 5 oxygen. And here NO3 twice, oxygen 3 2s are 6 oxygen. In water you have 1 oxygen. Total 7 oxygen. Calcium both the places 1 calcium is present. Let us see how to balance this. First, we have to balance NO3. NO3 in the product side, it is present 2 times. NO3 twice. So here, in the left hand side, HNO3, NO3 is present 1 time. So put 2 in front of HNO3 so that NO3 will become 2. 2 NO3, here also 2 NO3. So when you balance, put HNO3 before HNO3, if you put 2, hydrogen will get disturbed, number of hydrogen atoms. So in the left hand side, in HNO3, you have 2H. So 2 plus OH twice, you have 2 hydrogen. So totally 4 hydrogen. So to balance hydrogen, we have to balance water. Because in the product side, we have hydrogen only in water. So put 2 in front of water so that the number of hydrogen atoms will be 4. So put 2 in front of water. So hydrogen balanced, then NO3 balanced, then oxygen, let us check whether it is balanced or not. So in the left hand side, oxygen 3 2s are 6 oxygen in HNO3. And OH twice, OH twice, O is present 2 times. So 6 plus 2, 8. In NO3 twice, oxygen O3 is twice, 3 2s are 6 oxygen. And water you have 2 oxygen, 6 plus 2, 8. Oxygen balanced. Calcium here also 1, here also 1. Calcium is also balanced. Next equation, NaOH plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus water. See, while balancing you have to remember the subscripts should not be changed. 2, 4, 2, 4, this should not be changed. You can only write the coefficient before the formula, you can write the coefficients. That you have to remember. So now let us see various atoms present in both reactant side and product side. Na in the left hand side 1, oxygen is NaOH 1 oxygen and H2SO4 you have 4 oxygen. Then hydrogen, NaOH 1 hydrogen, H2SO4 you have 2 hydrogen. Overall SO4 in the reactant side it is 1. And here in Na2SO4 product side 2 Na is present. Oxygen Na2SO4 4 oxygen is present. In water you have 1 oxygen atom. And hydrogen 2 hydrogen atoms. And the sulfate both the side it is 1. Now we will see how to balance this equation. Now first we have to balance sodium. 2 sodium is present. Here only 1 sodium is present. So in the left hand side you have to balance sodium by putting the coefficient 2 in front of NaOH. So now 2 Na in the reactant side. Product side also automatically sodium gets balanced. So when you put it 2 in front of NaOH, oxygen number gets disturbed. Hydrogen also gets disturbed. Now let us solve hydrogen. So here 2 hydrogen is present. Here In water, you have 2 hydrogen atoms. So 2 hydrogen, but in the reactant side, 2 hydrogen and sulfuric acid also contains 2 hydrogen. So total 4 hydrogen atoms are. So here, but here in water, if you put 2 in front of water, you will. To make the number of oxygen atoms the same, you have to put 2 in front of water. So hydrogen atoms are balanced. 2 hydrogen and here also 2 hydrogen. So total 4 hydrogen atoms are balanced. Then next oxygen. 2 oxygen in NaOH, 4 oxygen in sulfuric acid, 4 plus 2, 6. Let us come to the product side. 4 oxygen in the product side and 2 oxygen in water. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. All the atoms are balanced. Next we will move to the next slide. When NaCl is mixed with AgNO3, a white color precipitate is formed. This is a white color precipitate. So next we will see how to balance the equation. AgNO3 plus NaCl gives AgCl and NaNO3. AgCl is silver nitrate. Silver nitrate plus NaCl gives AgCl plus NaNO3. AgNO3 plus NaCl gives AgCl and NaNO3. Silver, 1 silver here. Product side also 1 silver. NO3 in the reactant side 1, product side also 1. Sodium 1 atom, product side also 1 atom. Chlorine in the reactant side 1 atom, product side also 1 atom. It is a self-balanced equation. Barium chloride plus H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus HCl. Barium, 1 barium in the left, 1 barium in the right. Chlorine, 2 chlorine in the left, 1 chlorine in the right. Hydrogen, 2 hydrogen atom in the left, 1 hydrogen atom in the right. Sulfur, 1 sulfur and here also 1 sulfur. Oxygen also 1 and 1. So the main difference in number of atoms is chlorine only. So you have to balance the chlorine atom. We will see how to balance the chlorine atom. So main thing we have to balance the chlorine. So chlorine in the reactant side it is 2 chlorine atom, but the product side only 1 chlorine atom. By putting 2 in front of HCl, you can balance the chlorine. So 2 chlorine atom will be balanced on both the sides. Next hydrogen. Because here putting 2 in front of HCl, hydrogen gets disturbed. So hydrogen, 2 hydrogen gets added up. So in the product side 2 hydrogen and the reactant side also you have 2 hydrogen atoms. So hydrogen also gets balanced. Sulfur and oxygen together you can give as sulfate. So product side 1 sulfate, reactant side also SO4, 1 SO4. So that is also balanced. So this is a balanced chemical equation.